All right, with each installation kit for the rear seat safe, you get a hardware kit that includes the rib nut install kit, which includes a button head screw, a coupler nut, and then these three washers put together create a thrust bearing, which will help drive this rib nut into the seat frame. So you'll get 6 of these rib nuts, but you'll reuse this install kit each time. And how this gets assembled is we take the coupler nut and we will tighten this all the way down. Add the washer, making sure you can visibly see those grooves, and that's where these little bearings will seat inside those grooves. And sandwich that middle bearing washer. Then we will finger tighten this rib nut, making sure that flange also tightens up next to those washers into that thrust bearing. That's all you need to do, and now we'll go install it. Okay, now I'm going to install this rib nut. Put that in place. I'm going to hold with the Allen wrench, and I'm going to start hand tightening this. Right now it's very wobbly. As I tighten it, this will firm up. So I'm going to be very careful. You can tell it's still kind of wobbly, but once it gets tightened, you'll feel it. I'm guessing it's probably going to take me about 10 turns before it starts to firm up. Almost there. Okay, it's starting to tighten up. Starting to lose that wobble. You can see that I can't wiggle it back and forth. So all I'm going to do is give it 2 more half turns. 1, 2. That's it. I'll back this out. I'll reassemble this tool. Remove all the washers here. And now I'm ready to install another rib nut. And we'll repeat that process on all the anchor points.